Make dua to Allah. As if be like Laila and Majnu. You know, Majnu, a story comes to mind. They say once Majnu was passing. You know, he was running behind a dog, and the dog was guiding him to the village of Laila. So he was running behind this dog, and everyone is watching. They said, "What's wrong with this man? Why is he running behind this dog?" So obviously he was Majnu, he was mad in love with Laila. So there was a group of people performing their salah outside, and they seen Majnu running in front. You know, so the dog ran in front, and then Majnu ran behind. So after they finished their salah, they said, "Did you see that Majnu? He ran in front of us. Didn't he know that we're praying our salah? He almost made us break our salah. Let him return, we're going to question him." So on his return, when he was coming back, they stopped him. They said, "Majnun, stop. Listen to us. Why did you run in front of us while we were praying salah? Didn't you see us?" So Majnun said, "I was so mad running behind the dog that I do not lose the dog, because if I lose the dog, I will lose the direction of my beloved. So I didn't even notice you're praying salah. I didn't see you praying salah because I was engrossed in the love of my beloved. But I wonder if your salah was actually a salah because you are not engrossed in the love of your beloved." Meaning, your attention wasn't to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when you were praying salah. My attention was focused in following the dog, because I need to get to my destination. I need to know where is the house of Laila. So from this we learn also, once the villages of Laila told Majnu that, "Look, if you come here again to come and see Laila, then we will sever you. You know, you'll be killed. So make sure you don't come here." So what did he say? He said, "Don't worry, I will continue coming until a time where you'll kill me and bury me and put me in my grave. Even then, if Laila comes and makes salam to me, I will reply to the salam. لو أن ليلى الأخيلية سلمت علي وعندي جندل وصفائح لسلمت إليها بشاشة." That I will reply to the salam of Laila. So this is how we're supposed to be in these nights with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That a mu'min, a believer's heart is connected to Allah. That, "Oh Allah, it is only me and you." Everyone, you know, can فَلَيْتَكَ تَحْلُو وَالْأَنَامُ مَرِيرَةٌ فَلَيْتَكَ تَرْضَى وَالْأَنَامُ غِضَابُ فَلَيْتَكَ تَحْلُو وَالْأَيَّامُ مَرِيرَةٌ وَلَيْتَكَ تَرْضَى وَالْأَنَامُ غِضَابُ. But Allah, you become sweet to me. Oh Allah, you become beloved to me. Whether the whole world denies me, who cares? If you are happy with me and the whole world is angry with me, who cares? This is our connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let us stand in front of Allah ta'ala. Let us make tawbah. So let us make dua inshallah, and let us be like how Majnu was to Laila.